first grade 8 math problem was brought to a parent to solve, but the parent couldn't figure out the answer. I'm going to read the problem to you now, and I want you to write the first answer that comes to mind in the comments. Here's the question. A family photo was taken 8 years ago. At that time, the father was 4 times as old as his daughter. Today, the father is twice as old as his daughter. How old are they today? Don't worry if you're not sure where to begin. We'll solve it one small step at a time. To keep everything organized, let F represent the father's age today, and let D represent the daughter's age today. From the first sentence, we know the family photo was taken 8 years ago, so we subtract 8 from both ages. The father's age becomes F minus 8, and the daughter's age becomes D minus 8. Now here's the important part. At that time, the father was 4 times as old as his daughter. So we can write F minus 8 equals 4 times D minus 8. Let's call this equation 1. Now let's look at the next clue. Today, the father is twice as old as his daughter. So we write F equals 2D. Now we'll substitute F equals 2D into equation 1. That gives us 2D minus 8 equals 4 times D minus 8. Now expand the brackets. 2D minus 8 equals 4D minus 32. Next, move the D terms to one side, and the numbers to the other. 4D minus 2D equals 32 minus 8. So 2D equals 24. Now divide both sides by 2. D equals 12. Great! Now let's find the father's age. Substitute 12 back into the second equation. F equals 2 times 12, which equals 24. So the daughter is 12 years old, and the father is 24 years old. But let's make sure our answer is correct. 8 years ago, the daughter was 4. The father was 16. Was the father 4 times as old? Yes. Today, the daughter is 12. The father is 24. Is the father twice as old? Yes. So, our answer is correct. The hardest part of this question wasn't the calculation. It was turning the words into equations. Once you learn that skill, age problems become much easier. If you enjoyed this puzzle, subscribe for more math challenges and simple step-by-step solutions.